Hello dear students, today let's start new topic, equation from algebra. Others we have already done. Today we start equation, solving simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Today we will learn to solve the simultaneous equation in two variables. We know how to solve it. We have many methods to solve linear equation. One, graphical method, which we have done in class 8 by making graph. Another, substitution method and elimination method. Graphical method we have done in class 8. Substitution and elimination method we learned in class 9. Now here word problems will be given. You have to make equation and then we have to solve. You can use any method, either substitution method or elimination method, for solving linear equation. Okay, let's start exercise. Some solution of equations. Here first question is there, where two equations are given: x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. Let it be equation 1. 2x minus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Equation 2. Now from here we can use any equation first, either equation 1 or from equation 2 we will get the value of x in the term of y, or we get the value of y in the term of x. From equation 1, x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. X plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. Now let's make either x or y alone in left side. Here x is alone, so let's write here x, this 2y and plus 1. Plus 2y will go right side, then it will be minus 2y, plus 1 will go here, minus 1. Let it be equation 3. We are doing by substitution method. We can do by elimination method as well. Now after getting the value of x in the term of y from equation 1, now we put this value in equation 2. Now we put this value in equation 2. Substituting the value of x from 3 in we have got from 2, so we put this value in equation 1. We got the value of x from equation from 1, so we will put this value in equation 2. What is the value of x? Minus 2y minus 1 minus 3y. This minus 12 we can take another side, plus 12. Now open this bracket. Minus 2 2s are 4, y minus 2 1s are 2, minus 3y equals to 12. Now y like terms can be added. Minus 4y minus 3y. What will be there? Minus and minus is there, then we have to write minus and we have to add. If both have same sign, then whatever sign is there we write the same, and then we have to add 4 plus 3, that is 7y. This 12, we take this minus 2 right side, then what will be there? Plus 2. Y is equal to 12 plus 2 how much? 14. Now this minus 7 can be taken down. Y is equals to minus 2. This is the value of y. After getting the value of y, we put this value either in equation 1, 2 or in 3 to get value of x. Now from equation, if you put in 3 it will be easier. because x equals to minus 2y minus 1 minus 2 into value of y is minus 2. Now minus 2 into minus 2 how much? Minus minus plus 2 to the 4. 4 minus 1 3. Therefore x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 2. These are your required answer. Now you can check whether this answer is correct or not. We can check whether these answers are correct or not, which is not compulsory to show, but if you want to be sure, then you can put this value in quotient, like x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. In the place of x, if you write 3, 2 into minus 2 plus 1 equals to 0. 3 minus 2 plus 1 equals to 0. 2 to the 4. Now 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 4 is 0 equals to 0, which gives true value. Similarly, put in second equation also, we will get same. Okay, we will get equal value, so that our answer is correct. We can write our answer is correct. This is the correct answer. Okay, let's see next question. Your algebraic terms are given. Two equations. Ax plus by is equals to a minus b. Let it be equation 1. Similarly, bx minus ay is equals to a plus b, equation 2. Two equations are given here. We have to solve and get the value of x and y. Now listen. If we try to do by substitution method, we have to take this another side and x equals to a minus b minus by. If it is number, so that from their substitution method is easier. But a b algebraic terms are here, so in this case I suggest you to do by elimination method. Now for elimination method, we have to make either the coefficient of x equal or coefficient of y equal. यो दुईटा मध्ये a र b जुन छ त्यो दुईटालाई सेम बनाउनु पर्छ. So how can we make them equal? Here if you multiply by b and here if you multiply by a, it will be equal. Similarly here also, if you multiply a and if you multiply b, we get equal. Now it is subtraction here. So let's make x coefficient of x equal. So let's multiply by b, here multiply by a. Multiplying equation 1 by b and equation 2 by a, and we subtract them. Subtracting 2 by 1. So let's multiply a into b, abx plus b into b, we have to multiply all, b square y. Now a into b, ab minus b square. Similarly, now we have to multiply equation 2 by equation a. Okay, we have multiplied equation 1 by b. Now we multiply equation 2 by a into b, ab minus a into a square equals to a into a square plus ab. Now when we subtract, we have to change sign. Minus is here, so we have to change to plus. Plus is here, so change to minus. If we had made these two equal, then we should not subtract, we should add, so that we can cancel. Now abx and abx are same, so we can cancel this. Now here b square minus plus a square y common. Now from here ab minus b square minus a square minus ab. This ab and ab can be cancelled. Now if we take minus common, then we can write b square plus a square, and then this b square plus a square can be taken down. These two will be cancelled, so y is equals to, what will be the value? Minus 1 is the value of y. Now after getting the value of y, we put this value in equation either 1 or in 2. From equation 1. Let's put this value in 1. Ax plus by is equals to a minus b. We can put this value in equation 2 also, okay? Ax minus b is equals to a minus b. First of all, let's take this b another side. This b and b can be cancelled because this plus b will be there. Ax is equals to a, x is equals to a by a. So x is equals to 1. Therefore x is 1 and y is minus 1. Okay, now next question. Question number 11. X by 6 plus y by 15. Two equations are here. Equation 1 and equation 2. X by 6 plus y by 15 equals to 4. Let it be equation 1. And x by 3 minus y by 12 equals to 19 by 4, equation 2. Now from equation 1 or from equation 2, let's get the value of either x or y. Okay, from equation 2 I am doing here. You can do from equation 1 also. Equation 2, x by 3 minus y by 12 equals to 19 by 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 12? 12. 3 how many times to get 12? 3 4s are 12. 12 how many times to get 12? 1s are, so no need to multiply also. 19 by 4. This is 4x minus y is equals to 19. This 12 comes here. 12 by 4. 4x minus y is equals to 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 to 5 57. Now from here, if you get the value of x, then we have to take this y here and divide. So minus y is equals to minus 4x plus 57. This 4x we are taking another side. Now again, to make y alone, this minus also should be taken another side. So minus, when we take another side should be changed. 4x minus 57 is the value of y. Equation 3. Now we have got this from equation 2. So we put this value in equation 1. From equation 1, x by 6 plus, in the place of y we can write 4x minus 57 divided by 15 equals to 4. Now LCM, what is the LCM of 6 and 15? Which number is there which can be divided by both 6 and 15? 30. 6 how many times to get 30? 6 5s are 30. 4x minus 57. 15 how many times to get 30? 2s are equals to 4. 5x plus 8x minus 57 2s are 7, 2s are 14, carry over 1, 5 2s are 10, 1 11. This 30 will be there, so 4 into 30. Now 8 plus 5, 13x equals to 1, 4 3s are 12, 120. This minus 114 will go there, plus 114. Now 120 plus 115, how much? 4 2 1 3 1 1 2. 234 divided by 13. Now 234 divided by 13 is 18. 13 18s are 234. Now after getting the value of x, we put this value either in 1, 2 or in 3, so that we can get the value of y also. Let's put in 3. Now from equation 3, y is equals to 4 into x minus 57, 4 into 18 minus 57, 4 into 18 how much? That is 2, 4 1s are 4, 72 minus 57, 6 minus 15. Therefore x is equals to 18 and y is equals to 15. Okay, we can solve this by elimination method also. First of all, making two different equations, linear equation, and then we could solve by elimination method also. The next question number 13. Two equations are given here. 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y. This plus 1, let's take another side, equals to minus 1. Let it be equation 1. Next, 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y equals to minus 10 will go there, plus 10, equation 2. Now, by which method we can solve it? If we solve by substitution method, we have to take LCM and do. So let's do by elimination method. Let's make this coefficient of this 1 by x plus y, 1 by x plus y, both are same. Here also x minus y same. Either these two make same or these two make same. Here if you multiply by 3, it will be 15. So let's multiply this by 3 and let's not multiply this. So multiply by 1 and then we can cancel these. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 and 2 by 1. Multiplying equation 1 by 3, so that 3 5 the 15 will be there and then we can cancel. And subtracting 2 from 1. Now let's multiply here. 5 3s are 15. This x plus y same. 3 2s are 6. X minus y same. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Now here we are multiplying by 1, so it will not be changed. 15 by x plus y, 7 by x minus y is equals to 10. Now as we know, when we are subtracting, we have to change sign. Here is plus, so minus. Here also plus, so minus. Here is also plus, so minus. These two are similar, so that we can cancel them. Remaining minus 6 by x minus y, minus 7 by x minus y, minus 3, minus 10. Now from here, x minus y both are same, so x minus y, here minus 6 minus 7 equals to minus 13. So minus 6 minus 7 how much? We have to add minus 6 7 13. Minus 13 by x minus y equals to minus 13. Minus minus can be cancelled. This 13 and 13 also can be cancelled. So x minus 1 equals to 1. Sorry, x minus y is equals to 1. Now from here, what will be the value of x? X equals to 1 plus y. X is equals to 1 plus y. Let it be equation 3 and let it be equation 4. Now put this equation 3, value of equation 3, either in 1 or in 2. Substituting equation 3 in, let's put in 1, 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus 1, x minus y, and value of x minus y we have got 1, so we can write 1 equals to minus 1. 5 by x plus y, this minus 2 equals to minus 1. 5 by x plus y is equals to minus 1 is there, it will go there plus 2, so what will be there? Only 1. plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So 5 is equals to x plus y, cross multiplication. Now if we put the value of x here, 5 is equals to, what is the value of x? 1 plus y plus y. Now 5 minus 1, 4 is equals to 2y. So y is equals to 4 by 2. It will be 2. Value of y is 2. Now put this value again in 3. Now from equation 3, x is equals to 1 plus y. 1 plus value of y is 2, 3. Therefore x is 3 and y is 2. We have two different values here, and it is given x and y are not equal. Okay, so they are not equal. So okay, these are just simple equations which we solved just now. Now in next class we will be discussing about word problems, what kind of question can be asked in SC final exam, board exam. That's why we will be doing in next class these all word problems. Okay, now you will be doing from page number 172. You do all questions from group A. They solve the following system of equation, and then later on we will be doing from word problems. Okay.